Hey guys, today I'll show you how to boost your sales and Please Buy Me. I'll be showing you the pros and cons about selling. And without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to not sell your own cards unless you have a lot of fame. Now the reason why I say this is because no one likes to buy cards with low fame. So what you're going to do is we're going to change your booth to this. If you ever have rare or high fame cards like YouTuber cards, dev cards, etc., you'll get more Robux doing that. So if you have a booth that says YT with this many subs, invest now, or invest in me, you won't regret it later, people will think you're trying to scam them or trick them. But if you do come across a booth that says that, there's a small chance it's true. So just change your booth text to something funny or just something completely random. Next thing you're going to want to do is pricing, as it's the second most important thing of the game. The reason why I say that is because if you overprice things, no one will want to buy them. So if you're overpricing your stuff, you should put it lower. Now the final thing is the most important thing, and that is to not beg. If you beg, you're most likely to get denied like this person did right here. So if you beg people to buy your stuff, you should get rid of the habit. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my first time recording with my voice, so I was kind of nervous and I kind of stutter sometimes, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Also, YouTube recommends this. Aw, dang it. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the first time recording with my voice, so I kind of stuttered a lot in bloopers. Sadly, I couldn't get the bloopers, but anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and this is my first time recording with my voice, so voice